Hello everyone, welcome back from Sri Lanka. We have just entered into the Sri Lanka. You can see here, welcome to Sri Lanka. I don't know anything about Sri Lanka right now.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
I will explain why I have come here, and I just did money exchange from there, and now we are going to exit the airport. This one is the Bandara Naik International Airport. So let's go outside and see what are the first experiences. So here the immigration officer said that you can go to the Negombo city. So we will just take the taxi and see where we can go. तो वैगन देख हमारे जैसे
किसी को कहें तो हमें टैक्सी कर दे।
Yeah.
Intercity is there corner.
Where?
Intercity corner.
What?
Interest no?
We want to go to the Negombo beach.
You have to go. That's
Yeah.
the thing.
Excuse me. We want to go to the Negombo beach. How we can go?
3,800.
Sorry?
3,800.
One person?
No.
Taxi? Is it one side or return? 3,800.
One side.
3,800. So they are saying that if you want to go to the Negombo beach, you can save 3,800. We also want to come back because we have a flight at around 5 p.m.
Compare same vehicle, then tell the driver.
Okay.
Here to Propire 3,800.
Okay.
You ask him sometime, then he reduce the price and
Come back as well.
Yes.
Okay.
one way price is 3,800.
Okay.
මේගොල්ලන්ට ආයි එන්න ඕන කතාවක් කියනවා.
ඔව්.
ඒක වෙලාවක් ඉඳලා පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න.
What?
Can he speak English?
Driver normally he can, yes.
Normally.
He manage.
Okay.
Where
So he will
No, he will take the vehicle.
Okay. And driver is someone else?
Yes, driver is there.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Where are you?
Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Yeah.
English क्या है?
Sorry?
English क्या है? गोली मारो.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
English?
English से गोली मारो.
आप कैसे उर्दू बोल सकते हैं? आप कहाँ से हैं?
हम इधर से.
आप कैसे बोलते हैं उर्दू?
मैं पाकिस्तान के आदमी के साथ काम किया.
अच्छा,
तो
ज़बरदस्त.
वो जो इधर दुबई में.
अच्छा. So guys, you can see this guy can speak Urdu. ये, आप श्रीलंका से ही हैं? आपकी उर्दू बहुत अच्छी है. Okay guys, welcome to Sri Lanka.
उधर कितना टाइम रहने का?
हमारी फ्लाइट है 5:30. 5:30.
ओ गया अंदर. ओ. कितने इस साइड? एक ये रहा दूंगा.
Okay, so first we booked the taxi, and then this guy is helping take the taxi
आणि त्यातच मला चालली दूंना. बघा बोलते गेला.
all the way from Sri Lanka.
मुकात बात है. आई बोलते दिया तो ना.
English is okay.
English is okay.
මේක ඇවිල්ලා මී ගමුව. මෙරට පහමාරට ෆ්ලයිට් එක දිනනවා මෙලා තුනමාර විතරනොත් මෙහෙට එන්න ඕනේ.
What?
5:30 फ्लाइट है तो
जी.
3 बजे इधर
3
पहुंचना बनता
बजे.
है.
जी.
मेरा प्रोडक्ट थोड़ा घूमने का.
आप इनसे अगर रिक्वेस्ट कर दें कि वापसी भी हमें ले आए.
घूमने का
जी.
थोड़ा सा घूमने का.
जी.
निगम्बो में.
जी.
किधर बीच साइड में और मिलाओ के एक बजे होगी और 2 घंटा थोड़ा घूमने का.
ठीक.
आधा घंटा जाने का, आधा घंटा आने का,
और 1 घंटा घूमने
1 घंटा घूमने का.
जी. हाँ जी.
मच्छी मार्केट में थोड़ा जाएगा.
ठीक है.
देखने का, सिर्फ लेने का नहीं है, देखने का.
ठीक है.
और बीच में तो बीच अगर जाने को पहले सबसे पहले बीच में जाने का.
ठीक है.
थोड़ा देख के
हम्म।
फिर वापस आने का. ये सिर्फ जाने का लिखा हुआ है.
जी मुझे पता है.
और इसमें डबल करना है थोड़ा. 1,000 रुपया 5,000 था. ये डबल करके उसको थोड़ा घुमाएगा ना, 1000 देने का।
ठीक है।
सब
मतलब डबल करें।
आने का
टोटल कितना हो जाएगा?
एक
वापसी का?
मिनट आएगा, मैं बात
हाँ, उससे बात कर लेंगे।
आएगा, बात करेंगे, और कोई मुश्किल
हाँ
नहीं।
जी।
आप भी इंसान है, हम भी इंसान हैं।
हाँ जी, थैंक यू।
सब जिंदगी गुजारने के लिए करता है काम।
बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है, ऐसे ही।
और हमें कहीं हलाल फूड मिल जाएगा खाने को?
हाँ,
बीच
मैं
पे?
उसको बताएगा।
हम्म।
इंडियन फूड चाहिए,
इंडियन फूड लेकिन हलाल हो।
वो आपके पास वो हलाल नहीं है,
हम्म।
मैं उसको बताएगा हलाल फूड का। आप मुसलमान हैं ना, इसीलिए।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
मेरा दोस्त लाहौर।
लाहौर से है। लाहौर भी हमारे रिश्तेदार हैं, वहाँ पे रिलेटिव्स हैं। आप कितने साल रहे हैं दुबई?
6 साल।
6 साल।
किस
6 साल में आप-
अबू धाबी थे? अबू धाबी।
नहीं, दुबई शारजाह में।
शारजाह में।
लेकिन जाने के टाइम में एक
कुछ भी नहीं आता था।
मालूम, कुछ भी नहीं मालूम। उसके 3 महीने के बाद थोड़ा सा क्या है किधर है? ऐसे एक कागज हाथ में लिख के रखता है।
सही सही सही। जबरदस्त।
मेरा दोस्त लोग बहुत मस्ती करता है, ये किधर कितना है, वो बोलेगा, फिर भी मैं पीछे नहीं गया, आ गया। आटा हाथ देना।
So guys, this one is the taxi. Okay.
वो सब कुछ नंबर इसमें लिखा हुआ है, ये कागज, और दूसरा नंबर इधर है, ये
जी,
इधर
जी,
का है।
I will give you very satisfaction time. Okay, very good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Okay.
very much.
First to meet, eat meal,
Okay, sir.
halal food.
Halal food, please. So you are listening Hindi songs?
Yes.
Wow, nice. So you understand Hindi? Hindi,
No, but
Urdu?
interest.
No
But
interest?
good. Sri Lanka person like Hindi songs. Hindi films, Hindi songs.
We also like.
Madhuri Dixit.
Madhuri Dixit favorite.
रहा नहीं जाता, तड़प ही ऐसी है ना।
Okay.
Madhuri Dixit, Shah Rukh Khan.
This is our first time in Sri Lanka.
Ah,
Yeah.
where did you went to Sri Lanka? How many days here?
Here?
Yeah.
No, we have flight in the evening.
In this evening?
Yeah. We
Where
are
are
going to
going?
China.
Oh.
Yeah, we are
that's
just
transit place.
transit place. Yeah.
We are making tourism.
Yeah, but we have very short time.
Have you seen the dry fish beach in Pakistan?
Fish beach?
No. Fish making fish, dry fish making.
No.
No.
No,
You no see?
No.
You can see there
Okay.
dry fish.
Okay. First we are going to Negombo beach, right?
Yes.
Okay.
First
Yeah.
beach after meal.
Okay. Okay.
First going to the beach
Okay.
and after come to the hotel
Mhm.
and something to eat, halal food, and return to airport.
Okay. You live here?
I'm living in Colombo.
In Colombo.
I'm working here.
Oh, you are working here.
So tourism area.
Mm-hmm.
I'm working about 10 years in South Korea.
South Korea?
Yes.
Wow.
10 years.
What were you working there?
Factory.
Factory.
And after to a restaurant.
Mm-hmm. What do we call this here in Sri
Yeah.
Lanka? Tuk tuk?
Yes, tuk tuk.
Comía mango con chile y
Tuk tuk.
Tuk tuk.
Okay. Indian name. Yeah.
Tuk tuk.
Okay guys, so now we have reached at Negombo city, Sri Lanka. First we will go to the Negombo beach and later we will try some halal food and then we will return to the airport because we have our next flight at 5 p.m. around 5 p.m. Guys, this is the local fish market. This is the local fish market here and it smells very fishy.
Very dry fish.
This is fish?
Dry fish.
Dry
Every
fish.
black polythene
Hmm.
cover in the dry fish.
Why did they place it here?
वो dry है, खा सकते हैं।
Dry, for dry.
Oh, for
Every
dry.
place is dry. Now it's okay. The collecting. The small fish.
This is the fish, a lot of fish for drying.
Small one.
Small one. These guys are fishing from there and putting it here.
Small piece calcium.
Yes. Yes.
So only one day in the dry. Sun only one day.
Yeah.
So now also the salt.
Salty.
Salt.
Okay.
Salty. You look,
Okay.
it's a mackerel. Come,
Mhm.
come. It's a mackerel.
Yeah.
You know, mackerel.
Mm.
So today first day,
First day.
and the 3 days in the sun. They
Okay.
are from sir, is Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Yes, I understand.
Yeah. Your English is very good.
What I little understand.
Yeah. Thank you.
Also, native people also one by.
Mhm.
And tomorrow, sir,
Hmm.
and the thing.
Okay. And then you eat it.
Yeah, 3 days after. Also in the different in the cooking. Some people also in the rice and curry, some people on the boil, some people also in the fry, and the different in the cooking.
Nice.
You know?
Nice.
You
Nice.
look in the baby tuna.
Oh yeah.
You know, this is the baby tuna.
Baby tuna.
Baby tuna.
Okay.
And the tuna and the
Hmm.
3 name and the difference. And the black and the white, yellow pin tuna.
Mhm.
This also in the black tuna.
Oh,
So
nice.
baby tuna. Today also second day.
Second day.
Madam, second day.
Mhm.
Tomorrow last day. Only 3 days in the sun.
3 days.
3 days.
Oh.
After sun, after 25 kilo, 30 kilo also in the box in the packing. Export other country.
Export.
And the Singapore, Malaysia, Pakistan. Sometimes also Pakistan.
Wow.
And the France and the Italy.
Mhm.
So other country.
Mhm.
Can I take picture? No.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, yeah. I'm recording. Yeah. Yeah.
This is the white tuna.
White tuna.
Yeah. And this black tuna. This is the white tuna.
White tuna.
Look,
Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful.
you look big one is in the mai. Come,
Mhm.
Puta. Look, big one is a mai.
Wow. Nice.
Nice. This is a mai. Yeah.
My mind.
Yeah, mai. Make goda ki Italy puta. But
Nice.
too much and going export Italy.
Italy.
Italy country people too much like this and mai. Look, fresh one.
This is fresh.
Early morning and the 3 o'clock going in the boat and the sea 10 kilometer in the walk.
Mm-hmm.
So now come back. Sometime 100 kilo, 200 kilo, sometime in the north beach.
Wow.
Today these people and the lucky people.
Oh. Okay. This is the local fish market.
You look, this is the kadamar and the prawn.
Hmm.
The prawn is in the kadamar. You
Yeah.
look,
Yeah.
it's in the lagoon prawn.
Yeah. Nice.
Yellow pin tuna. Looking? So sardine? What's the current difference?
red color
Red coconut. You like?
No, not expensive.
You like? And the drinks? Very interesting. Very sweet water.
If you like, think.
No, not right now.
You
Apple.
want?
Apple.
You want?
No. It's okay.
Apple.
Okay, guys. So this was the fishing area. You can see a lot of different kind of fishes.
Dirty area.
Yeah. So now, after visiting the fish market, we are now going to the beach. You can see the beautiful water around here, but this place is a bit dirty. We will go to the clean place sooner. There's a shop of samosas and pakoras as well. Okay guys, so now we are entering into the beach. You can see the view here. Wow, beautiful. Man. Amazing view.